This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the CountIf function in Google Sheets. Please make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified when I publish videos in the future. Let's suppose that I have a spreadsheet here with a list of shirt sizes, and I want to tally up how much of each size I will need. This is how I will do that. You can use a function called CountIf, and I'm going to enter it here in the H column. Go ahead and start typing the formula by pressing equal and then typing the formula. Then when you see that appear, click it, and now it's going to ask for the range. You can either type it there, or you can more simply click the cell and then drag down all of the cells that you want to be used in that tallying. So it's going to tally E2 through E36. And notice that there is a colon there if you're going to type it out. After you have your cell selected, you're going to click the comma, and then you need to put your criteria, the thing that you are searching for, in quotation marks. So since I am looking for the number of smalls, I'm going to type that and then close the quotation marks and then put a close parentheses there. When I do that, you can see that it tells me that there are 5 small t-shirt sizes in this column. You can do that same thing for the other sizes by copying and pasting the formula and then editing that formula so that it includes the cells that you want. So for some reason, it shifts everything down when you copy and paste. So you will need to go through and make sure that it includes all of the cells, including the cell at the top. So change that to 2, and then change that to M for medium. And now you see that you have 20 mediums, and then you can repeat that process until you get all the way to extra large. So this video shows you how to use the CountIf function in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful tips in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.